Hi everyone, how are you, my lovelies? Welcome back to my nonfiction life. My name is Ping, and I appreciate you tuning in and leaving comments and clicking that like button. So it makes me so happy. Thank you once again. So how is everyone? I know I was chilling out on Sunday, so I didn't have a vlog up, and I think that was good because I could always make it up, you know. And so anyways, I have my coffee. This is like my third 12-ounce coffee, and hot coffee with half and half. I just felt like something warm and comfortable, you know. And then I have my Christmas cactus. So yeah, that really just helps me calm when drinking coffee, you know. Anyways, I was reading my Clean magazine, and it gives me, you know, I was looking through like, what shall I cook this week or for the next week? Because I am cooking for a friend. I've been cooking for a friend for like about 4 to 5 weeks now, and she has some health concerns, and then I volunteered to cook for her. And I cook for my family of 3, and you know, it's not a big deal to cook for another person, and especially when it's helping you with your health and you want to get better. And so, you know, it's eating gluten-free, sugar-free, and not a lot of dairy-free, but she is watching it. So I just, you know, we looked at books, and then we decide on which book we should cook from. And you know, I would choose the menu for the week. In return, she would provide the produce and the groceries that I will be cooking for her, for our family as well. So that works. So, you know, and it does help me in a way to plan out each week. And you know, for dinner especially, it's like, oh my god, at the end of the day, it's like, what are we gonna cook for dinner? And you know, and you have a lot of things in your fridge, but you want to have something else. That is me. You know, I'm always, not always, but I crave for spicy food. So whatever protein that I'm cooking for her, I would cook it separately. And we're, you know, like substituting white sugar with coconut aminos and just things that she's not supposed to have. And you know, it doesn't hurt for us to have that as well, because it is actually pretty good. I would like, ooh, coconut aminos, what are those? You know, it's an alternative for soy sauce. So, and it gives a slight sweetness to it, so you don't have to add a lot of sugar. And so yeah, that helps. And my friend, she loves Asian flavors, so that helps a lot, you know, because I love Asian flavors, right? And been adding a lot of flavors. So yeah, Clean Eating is a good magazine. I'm not paid to say that. I like their magazine. And for on my side baking, I've been looking at this. Yes, I got a couple of labels on already. And milk bread donuts with salted egg yolk cream. That sounds so yum. I love salted eggs, duck eggs, and it is so good. I've been meaning to, you can talk about Asian flavors, right? I've been meaning to make salted egg ice cream. I had it in Penang, Malaysia for my birthday, like, I don't know, like 3-4 years ago. And it was put on top of a brownie, sizzling brownie, and it was so heavenly. I still remember it, of course, right? And I wanted to make it, but I don't know who would be interested to taste it with me except my husband. So I'll make a batch. I'll be sure to show it to you, okay? So anyways, and here's the pork floss and seaweed pull-apart rolls. Now that caught my attention. I don't know how much I should be showing the pictures because of copyrighted issues, you know. Oh my goodness, I don't want to have the author to come in and see me, you know, because this is going to be like the Food 52 Baking Club in January 2022. So we're going to make this. And look at this, garlic and chive whole wheat flour buns. Oh my goodness. Oh, that goes on there. You know what, one thing, oh, here's not too sweet buns. You know, Christina Cho, she masters in bakery that's from Taiwan, so, and it's not too savory, and there's a score and twist type of technique that she has, and red bean swirl buns. There was this one also, taro, this is beautiful. Taro paste, taro leaf buns. That is where, this is one of the things that I will be making. Yes. That's all for now. I'll see you later in the day. Dinner time. Got me some noodles. Yep, made 3 dishes tonight. It's one of those nights when you don't want what the other person wants, you know, and I just made a quick meal, you know, and chow mein is the best way to go. And shrimp cooks so fast. So here we are. I saved the chicken feet for last. I usually go for the noodles first. I don't know about you. Noodles and the broth. Oh, I don't like this chopstick. I can't even use it. It's like, see the gap? Oh. Oh well. I'll see you later. Bye.